Bingo and the Banana Mess. "Good evening, my energetic Bingo," Mama Monkey chirped gently, swinging onto the branch beside her little one. "It's time to settle down." Bingo tried to settle, but his elbow bumped into something sticky and soft. He looked around his branch bed. His rope toy was tangled in vines. His forest school slate was buried under leaves, and everywhere, absolutely everywhere, were curly brown and yellow banana peels. "Mama," Bingo whined softly, "I can't find my sleeping pillow, and I can't find my fun pebble for tomorrow. It's too messy." Mama Monkey sighed lightly and smoothed the fur on his head. "Well, my darling, that mess is your own wonderful work. You love your sweet bananas, but where do the peels go?" "I just dropped them," Bingo admitted. "I'm busy thinking about the next banana." "But dropping them causes problems," Mama said softly. "This morning, Little Cricket tripped over a peel. And you were late for forest school because your sling bag was buried." Bingo's ears drooped. "I know. The big pile made me late. Being organized isn't just about looking tidy," Mama explained gently. "It's about caring for your home and caring for others. When peels are everywhere, they can make slippery trouble. For fireflies, for lizards, and even your baby sister. Your things are like winter nuts," Mama continued. "If they are scattered, you can't find them. Putting things away at night makes mornings smooth and easy." Mama swept a few leaves into a neat pile. A clean branch is a happy branch. A tidy home is a safe home. When you clean up, you're telling yourself, "I am ready for a good day tomorrow." Bingo picked up a slippery peel and dropped it into the compost hole. "It's easier to find my pillow now." "That's my clever boy," Mama praised softly. "A few minutes of care can make the whole night better." The forest grew quiet. The moon climbed high. Mama curled her tail around Bingo like a soft blanket. "Sleep tight, my Bingo. Tomorrow, you'll be a tidier little monkey." Good night, Bingo. Good night, Zoo. And now, our story is coming to a close. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Good night.